everyone. So today we'll check one more kind of report. So the report name is the call log report according to the date difference. So the name itself says call log. Call log it means all the calls which are been already logged. That is the number of the complaints been logged here. Okay. And according to the date difference is majorly the TAT. That is the date when it has been registered, the date when it has been scheduled, when it has the call when it has started, and the call when it has ended. Basically, to understand the difference between them, this is the report. So this report is basically covers all the calls which are completed. Okay. None of the active calls will be seen here. Any calls which are completed will be seen here. So the calls will be like the call type, what we have, that is the installation, the preventive maintenance, the breakdown, and the out of warranty breakdown. So these are basically the four call types which we use. So any call where which do fall into this call type and which are completed by the engineers, all that report will be seen here. So this report can be pulled on month basis or on a daily basis to understand that what the number of the calls which were registered and completed. So on a daily basis. So maybe if you want call type wise, you can select here. You can see the filter here, the start date and the end date. So if you want to select month wise, day wise, week wise, you can select according to the date, the call type wise. In case there are a number of the calls been mentioned here, but we use the installation. That is the first time whenever the installation is done, the breakdown, that when the machine is into the warranty period and there is a breakdown of the machine. So this is the breakdown call that is registered. Out of warranty breakdown, that is the machine is not in warranty and it does not have any AMC, and an out of warranty call has been registered. And we have the preventive maintenance. That is preventive maintenance is basically we have taken the AMC of that instrument of that customer, and then we do provide a service, that is we visit three times to that customer to prevent to provide the service against the AMC what we have collected. And this is the date difference. According to the date difference, if you want to select, we can select that and we can go for it. So this report can be used by the managers, the service engine, the service managers and the management. Here is one of the data which is I have pulled it out just for your information. So basically, this is the ticket when it has been generated, the ticket number. So the reported date is the ticket date when the ticket has been generated. So that is 22nd of November. Against the customer name, city and state, the instrument serial number has been mentioned and the installation date. So the ticket has been generated on 22nd of November and even the installation is done on 22nd of November. The instrument name, the call type, and what is the status, that is a completed. So as I said, always completed status data will only be viewed against it and the engineer name who has done this installation. So when have he scheduled that installation? So it was on 22nd of November and his start date and date is remains the same. Sometimes it happens that they start date is 22nd of November, but due to any of the issues, they are not able to complete the installation or they're facing any issues. So the completion date does not remain the same. But here in this case, if you see the ticket registered date, the installation date, the call when you have scheduled, and start and end date remain the same. So the TAT is 0. Here in the case of breakdown also we are able to see the same thing. That is on 21st of November, a breakdown call has been registered. The machine has been installed in the 2018 and this customer might be having AMC. That is the reason the breakdown call has been registered. And then the schedule date was 21st and even the start date and end date was 21st. So basically this report will help us understand the type of the calls which are being registered and which are the areas where the calls have been registered, the instrument against which the calls have been registered. What is the TAT majorly happening? That is a breakdown. What is the TAT? Preventive maintenance. What is the TAT? that is getting completed, so that actionables or actions can be taken if the TAT is huge. So this report is very much important for us to understand the performance of the engineers who are working on the field against all this call type. That's it. Thank you.